Good morning, everybody. I'm going to quickly go over what you should be working on with the sub or during our Zoom time if it is virtual learning. Again, this is for the 4th or the 9th, so Thursday or Friday, depending on what day you have me and when you have me. At this point, you should be pretty far into activity 3.1.3, hopefully getting close to finishing that. You're doing research, you're answering questions, you're learning about sustainable design. Make sure you read all the little blurbs that are inside this worksheet. They'll help you answer the questions. But what you should be focusing on today is 3.1.3. How big is your footprint? So this is going into information about your carbon footprint. So the ecological footprint concept is a way of roughly measuring the impact of a person's choices on the environment. People have become so accustomed to their diet, cars, home, and energy usage that they don't realize that the earth will not be able to provide the needed resources indefinitely. When students go online to calculate how many Earths it would take if everyone on the planet lived the way that they do, they will be astonished. For many students, it's the beginning of increased awareness about the delicate balance of the planet. So, you are going to be going through, you're going to be answering questions, and you're going to be completing a footprint analysis for your personal footprint. So, go through, answer the questions that you can answer. So, for example, what is a carbon footprint? If you don't know, Google it, find out. Write that there. Then you're going to click through these answers, or click through what it tells you to do. So it says click on the link and take the ecological footprint questionnaire. Ask your parents for help if you're unsure of the question. So please do that. You should be doing this at home, or when you get home, you can ask your parents. So it's going to open up this web browser. And I just want to show you what it looks like real quick. So here you go. What is your ecological footprint? You'll click take the first step. And now I've already done this, so I don't know if there's anything else you have to do. So I've clicked through this already, but you'll be going through this and answering all the questions. When you finish, let me see if I can get to the end. Because again, I have already done this. You will answer these based on your, what you deem as happen. So like when you travel by car, how often do you carpool? Let me know. Do you never carpool? Then you would slide it all the way to the end. All right. And then when you get to, how often do you fly each year? I probably saw a decent amount of time. Here, we're calculating your footprint. Just skip. You don't have to put your email in. Just skip, and then you can go through your results. So click details. See my details, and it'll give you your details broken down. And I want you to paste a screenshot of that below right here. So it should look like this one up here, but it should be for you, so it should be slightly different. Then I want you to research carbon footprints and create a list of 5 things. Oh, that says thighs, whatever. 5 things to reduce carbon footprints. And then I want you to tell me what you could do to reduce your carbon footprint at home. Do me a favor and do 4 to 5 sentences, all right? I'll know if you watch the video if you do 4 to 5 sentences. I'll know that you didn't watch the video if you just give me 1 word or 2 words. That simple. So that's what you're working on today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I probably won't be on my email or Schoology page too much while I'm gone, just due to the fact that I am at a funeral. But hopefully that's not too complicated. Again, if you have any questions about the ecological footprint calculator, ask your parents if there are some questions you don't know the answer to. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all next week.